Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Guide, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can compose or create a new post on your OnlyFans. To do so, just follow some simple steps which I'll show you right now on this video. First of all, go onto your Google Chrome browser and search for OnlyFans and then log into your OnlyFans. After you are logged into your OnlyFans, you'll be on the home screen of OnlyFans. And here you can see on the home or below home and compose new post. If you click on this, you can compose your new post right here. You can add a board and add quizzes as well. But if not, you can also see an option for new post and it will exactly put you to the same page that you are currently on. And now here you can edit any post that you like that you want to post on your OnlyFans account. This much for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful on how you can post or compose new posts on your OnlyFans account. If you find a video helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification, and don't forget to drop a comment for review. And for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.